What's up guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome to back my another brand new video. So today I am talking about Golem cryptocurrency. So let's start the video. Golem cryptocurrency. Golem is a decentralized network of computers around the globe that provides access to a decentralized sharing economy of computing power of the public. Then overview. Golem is a decentralized network of computers around the globe that provides access to a decentralized sharing economy of computing power to the public. Members of this open source network can rent out their computing power of the others, such as research and developers. Payments are then processed by an Ethereum-based transaction system. According to CEO Julian Towski, the name Golem was named after the Jewish mythology creature. Then the network can be accessed through renting computer power from the network and allows users to perform tasks a computer outside of the network would not be capable of handling tasks such as performing calculations for natural language processing, artificial intelligence system, and machine learning. The network is known primarily for the use of CGI rendering. Then after a requester has made a request to use the network by using a template to determine the complexity of the task, a provider receives corresponding resource via IPS to begin the computation on a task computer. After the task is complete, the results are returned to the requester through the same IPFS network. Requesters pay the provider through an Ethereum smart contract at a schedule at a scheduled time, which encourages regulation for both practice. Then the Golem project, led by Golem Factory, was announced on April 28, 2016. The project was launched on the main network on April 10, 2018. Golem network is a decentralized computing network that offers a new way to distribute excess computing power on demand to those who need it. It creates a peer-to-peer network where users join as equals to buy and sell computing and split complex tasks into similar subtasks on the network. There is no central authority in Golem, and no user is more or less important than another. Then GNT or Golem network token is required to pay for computing on the network and is the currency that ensures the operation of the marketplace. Requesters bid on the amount of GNT they are willing to pay for the completion of a task. Providers earn GNT by completing tasks for initiators. Users can see the minimum and maximum price those held in their settings. Golem includes the following tools. Then Golem SDK, which includes guides for integers and vendors. Then runtimes E.G, Wasm, BM, SGX, Stack, Python, JavaScript, and Rust API. We have some awesome Golem, a community created list of Golem resource links, projects, tools, and apps. Then timeline. There is no timeline, so timeline is very important. That's it for today. Goodbye, tata, assalamu alaikum.